Hello. Oh, wow. This doesn't sound like that's for what I want. Let's do some medium. Yeah, so I've been working on my widget on my day off from streaming, and of course I make things that I'm so excited about, so I need to try them out. It's the creative life, eh? Take a break to make things that makes you so excited you can't take a longer break. Welcome to the stream, Sandman. This is a very strange stream time, and yes, let's get going.
Robo said, indeed, hey.
Hey. I'm gonna start on volume 2 of Cubism. Cubism, which is a game that's been out for some time. I never cleared it because I totally burned out on it. It gets really hard, and my brain just didn't cope. It is a bucket list item to clear it, I think. But yes.
Haas is now relentlessly stalking you.
Yeah, that's a bot. Don't go to that account. Whatever you do, it's not gonna end up nice. Yeah. Ah, beautiful. That is still working. Good stuff. Right, let's start off on Cubism, the second pack. And this is something the maker of the game has put out a reward that if you clear this pack, if you're among the 5 first people to do it, you win a poster.
Robo said, I want the trophy, 6D22H cooldown. I will be back.
Wait, what? 6 days cooldown? Wait, what? That's not... Wait, what? Should I just minimize OBS? Why? What? Oh, wait, what? What? Okay, let me fix that. That's one of the things to test. Damn it. Clearly I did the mistake. I need to check my rewards. One momentos. That's a hilarious cooldown. I'm not sure if I must have put the number in the wrong place. This is annoying.
Jason said, evening folks 07.
Good evening. I'm not getting Swedish. Yeah, I put the 10,000 number in the wrong place. I need to rerun my config. This is gonna take a small while. You don't see this, but I'm editing. I'm editing things. I'm doing things in the background. I promise.
Her royal monstrousness said, Ni hao.
Let me try and fix this. But this is what the test stream is for, right? It's supposed
Dan
to go
said,
haywire.
good evening, lovely weirdos.
Yeah. I'm not getting autocomplete. Damn it. Let's see. Shit.
Robo said, yeah, we got the disclaimer, no there will be some tinkering because of test stream.
Yes. Max per stream. I'm gonna turn that off. Turn that on. Shit. I'm just fixing some things. I need to disable a skip function so I can update it. Oh, that's the wrong value. There we go. That's the config fixed. Oh, well, parts of it. I need to... Where's the other value? Shit. Oh, there we go. This is the one. No, that's not the one. There we go. I'm gonna reload the widget. Refresh. I'm gonna run a streamer only command. Let's see. Cooldown is not. I need to remove that. No, it should update it. Damn it. Did it not work? Oh, it did work. There we go. Thank you. Thank you, Baluka, for grabbing the first trophy. This is a new feature we're testing today. And
Robo said,
it might
Woho,
turn
took a few
insane.
seconds for it to be active XD.
Dan
Yeah.
said, and all hell is about to break loose.
Yes. So I'm gonna talk about this in a second. I need to eject myself from coding. There we go. Where's my controllers? Oh, I almost stepped on them.
Her
Right,
royal
so
monstrousness said, me sits by to watch the chaos.
Robo said, I like to be the
Oh,
one to
shit.
start the snowball.
wait, what happened? Wait, what? My controllers are not aligned. What? This is completely bananas. My right hand is not where my right hand is otherwise. How does it look in the overlay? Is it... Oh, is it... Shit. I can't look at it and turn at the same time. Oh, it's misaligned in SteamVR. Maybe my right controller is derping out. I'm gonna restart it. I might have dead sensors on it, so it gets a miscalibrated pose. But yes, the trophy reward is something... The reward will get your name on it. So if you check now, it should say held by Vubuluku. Turn on my controller again. And if you check the prompt, the description of it, it also says who currently holds it.
Robo said, it does.
Oh, my controller is back. Yes. So that is the new favorite viewer replacement, pretty much.
Her
We
royal
figured it
monstrousness
out.
said, neither you nor you index is allowed to dismantle.
Yeah, that was really weird. We discussed. The idea popped up while watching Doc stream earlier today, and it took a while, but it's in action now. The thing is, it also increases in price with one meatball. But you know, we'll see if anyone cares enough to steal your trophy, Mr. Boo Boo. Oh, also, it gets posted to a special channel on the Discord. So every redemption, I can show that here. So you can see the first one is stolen by Vuboloco. You see the previous person's name because that's the name of the reward. So held by nobody was bought for 1 point, and it's the first time it's redeemed in this stream, which I assume now that the number counting is only available if you have the queue enabled, because the queue is enabled for this reward. So okay, that explains that. Interesting. So yes, it will go up in price. The old favorite viewer thing would have something permanent on stream. I'm not sure if that's still... Is that gonna be motivation? Should I have some small text that is displaying the current prize holder or trophy holder? Is that something that will motivate people? I don't know. I've been trying to not have too many static elements in the overlay. Like most things provide some kind of input. We have, or output or information. We have the performance overlay. The most static thing is like the game banner. I do have that, so having static elements is not new. And this game is brain murdering. Something fierce. Yes. Let's see if this is solvable at all. Yeah, Doc was having a fair amount of difficulty. I mean, he came far, but it seemed like he was quite frustrated after a while. Oh, come on. Yeah. Oh, crap. Ah. Need alt tab. That's the music.
Wobo said, yeah, just filled my VR space with crap but might try to do some tomorrow.
Yep. You can sit down and play this. If you want to.
Wobo said,
Yep.
do you need to clear part 1 before doing part 2?
You need to do 30 levels. If you clear 30 levels in the first one, you can play the second one. So there is some work to do there if you haven't done any of it. Ooh, this looks promising. Or not.
Wobo said, yeah,
Yeah. Don't have a straight 4, so that won't work. This looks very pretty, but it's... wait, it is correct.
Pink Orisite, Hola Ball and
Nice.
Chair.
Wobo said,
Hello, Caroline.
have not
Welcome
got
to
it yet
stream.
XD.
Wait, does my chat not show that? Oh, is my chat not scrolling? Damn it. I mean, if I'm not playing tomorrow, you could use my library. There we go. Yep. I think we have family sharing. We're family after all. Depends on when you install your PC last or Windows, and sometimes when Steam crashes, it also drops your family sharing. So this looks nice, but it's a bit derpy. Musica.
Pink
Oh,
Orisite, yeah, that was perfect.
Well, the start is easy, but it's gonna get nose-bleedingly hard. So this is all now in one plane. It's not
Pink
like
Ori now
2
sounds
layers
like this.
in depth. Yes. Oh, yep. Oh. Now. Sorry, Caroline, about last time with the wrong descriptions. That was my total reward reset, and I put the wrong descriptions on the wrong rewards. But now it should make sense. And that should have randomized your voice entirely between all the languages that exist.
Her royal monstrousness
Yeah.
said both loved it.
Yeah, I know. It's
Pink Ori said,
a horrible
that's better.
event.
That's no problem.
Yep. Oh, we cleared the first one, the first flat level. Where everything's flat. Yes. Skaboom. Oh, now it's 3D immediately. Oh, my brain is already reeling at the evil memories of the original. Oh, first level. I'm a genius, or that was easy. Well, it was easy. It was literally easy. Oh my.
Pink Ori said,
Yeah.
we are all human and we are all make mistakes or forget something, so it was no problem, winky face.
Well, yes. Such is life. It is always a challenge to get things working properly. Which is why we have a test stream! Yes! So this week has been a fair amount of drastic changes to the widget. So it can do new stuff. Oh, stage 3 already unlocked. It's mostly backend things that won't be noticeable that much for viewers. But the widget can now, since
Wobo
this
said,
week...
Tetris is hard enough, getting one more axis of rotation does not compute.
Yes, it is challenging. Yeah, so far this week, the widget can now enable and disable rewards, edit rewards, and do so depending on which game is playing. So the rewards are now highly dynamic. They are all generated by, they're created by the widget. That's why they can be edited. Otherwise, you can't edit rewards you haven't created on your own API or application. Well, that is API key or client ID. So it's required that you create them using
Pink
your own
Ori
tools.
said, definitely with technology outweighs a quest if it works like you want to.
Yeah. It is, I mean, technology is helpful as long as it works. Then after that it becomes a headache. Yeah. Oh, this looks a bit messy. Oh, these are oak. Yeah, now they're pushing not just like, this is a fairly nice shape, but there's 2-level blocks to move in place. Yeah, and this goes in 2 ways. But that makes a tiny hole below it, so that seems unreasonable. And this is a symmetrical shape, so I could work in any direction I want, I say, and that's not gonna
Pink Ori said,
fit.
yep, as long as it does what we want. LOL, my typing is as every time perfect, not LOL.
We have a fair amount of experience with typos, yes. This is why we have the dictionary, and we can add words to it that gets fixed, which is hilarious. Yeah. What? How did I move this last time? Oh, you grab it, close it. So yeah, the hole on the back side is not what I want. I should probably let me put the VR view to one eye because this is a close-up. I'm too lazy to do the spectator view apparently. Let's do the left eye because that's screenshots. There you go. So it's gonna be, wait, left eye, that's, well, the camera is now centered, so it doesn't matter which eye I pick, so that's all good. That's all good. Yup. Yes. Why did I decide to stream this game? I don't know. Well, I do know because I've been watching Doc stream it all day. Yeah. This is tricky. This is what scares me. This is a really small level compared
Pink
to
Ori
other
said,
things.
I do my best to type thing good in English. For me from the Netherlands, ha ha ha.
Yeah. It is. I'm happy that at least in Sweden we got, even when I went to school, which is decades and decades ago, we got English as a subject at the age of I think 10 in 4th class. And I know I think nowadays they start even in class 1 with English, like super early. Might depend on the school and stuff, I don't know, but I think they get a huge advantage from just starting super early with it. Yeah. Which is nice. So much of the world today is in English. It is the world's most common second language, from what I've read. So it makes sense. That's gonna create a gap that doesn't fit anywhere. Huh. Oh. Ah! So if that... No. Like, I can't even fit the small piece anywhere. If I do that, it's gonna become an impossible hole. Oh! Oh! That's the thing with Cubism. It's one big torment until you solve it, and then you live in bliss for a few seconds.
Pink Ori said, "Oh, you were from
Yeah.
Sweden, didn't know that. My daughter from 8 learns also English from YouTube. She was 4 and already had some English words that I thought, wait, what, how to know?"
Oh, whoa. Let's see, 8. So that would be 2 years younger than when I learned English. So I mean, it's all good to get ahead. Funny story of how I got into English in a much deeper sense than from just school is a story I keep repeating all over the place. But you know, I'm not sure if I said it on stream, but when I was in my teenage years, I read Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, but I didn't understand anything because it has oh shit, this one is big. It has a crap ton of imaginary words, like made up words. So I was trying to look that up. Impossible, because they they were made up words, but I didn't know. So what I did is I got my hands on the book in Swedish. I read that first, and then read the same book, but in English. Which meant I could avoid looking up any word at all, because I got them from the context and from having read it in Swedish. So that helped a whole lot. And it's not effortless, but it certainly helped me. So that's the thing. And this is a tricky. So we're going back to all flat pieces. No, all flat pieces except except one. And this one doesn't fit the location where I want to use it. Or does it? No, I think it's flipped. So maybe this needs to be flipped. And this now fits in that corner. There we go. I think that might be the only way to put it. Maybe, possibly, hopefully. Oh, this is a big piece. Oh, that's not gonna work. This feels good. Oh yeah, I can see the solution. We smoosh this in from this side. Boop. There we go.
Pink Ori said, "I learned English secondary school, group 7.
Group 7. Ooh. Secondary school, group 7. I'm not sure what that means, actually. Is that like your class number? So in Sweden we say classes, where like, but yeah. Is secondary school like if you have middle school, high school? It is a bit tricky with all the different like names for schools and the years for schools and all of that in different countries. University is
Pink Ori
easy to
said,
understand.
"Yeah,
but,
here in the Netherlands secondary school we have groups. So that will be class 7, I think."
Right, yeah. Class 7, that is pretty much when turning 13, I think, in Sweden. No, is that class... Wait, 6? Yeah, 7, yeah. Unless things have changed. I haven't gone to school for, you know, ages. Things do change somehow, without me noticing. Where does this fit? I have no block that fits in that corner, so this is clearly not supposed to be in that direction or in that orientation. Oh wow. Not in that one either. Wait, there we go. Maybe. Oh no, oh yeah, it does. Wait. Oh my.
Pink Ori said, here it will be class 8 or high school class 1 because my son is 12 turning 13 next month and I just started high school this year.
Right. Class 8 or high school class 1.
Pink
Oh,
Ori
so you're
said, I is he.
Yeah. I got that. So high school class 1 is also class 8. So I guess your numbers reset for the different schools and wow, I don't have that long of a straight, so that's not gonna work. Damn it. It is a challenge to keep track of the different school systems. Not that I have to, but it's always interesting to know in conversation. Skaboop. Let's see.
Pink Ori said, now secondary school we have groups and high schools it's class here.
Now secondary school and groups in high schools. Oh wow, my head is swimming now. It's probably very logical. It's hard to learn like a new school definition as well as do cubic puzzles at the same time. Yeah.
Pink Ori said, sorry.
Oh no! I asked for it. I mean, it's not your fault.
Ha
It's
ha.
just me saying my brain is not collaborating. Yeah. Oh, that's not gonna work. That's a weird. Get a single block left in the middle. Dang it. How did Doc play this for like 6 hours today? He certainly has a mind that can cope better than me. Yeah. It has already reached a point where I feel like I'm placing things randomly and hoping for them to work, and this is now the wrong direction. Shit. So it's all working. It's just I need to flip the whole. Everything needs to be flipped because this doesn't fit. Crap. Can this be flipped? Let's try to do this carefully. So this blue one is symmetrical in the corner. So I move this out. And this. And this. Move these down. So flipping means turning this over. Turning this over. It's probably gonna be there. Turning this. Whoa! I flubbed it. Hopefully it will work anyway. Oh yes. Look at that. Magic! Yep. And I way off the center. Huh. Oh, was that the last level on 2? I'm already on the 10 levels done. Out of 30 or 35? I think 30. Oh, wait. Oh, there's 6. So 36? If... right, okay, yeah. But things get, like, exponentially harder when they add more depth. No more depth to the blocky pieces. Oh, these are 3 big pieces. This feels like the staircase. there's nothing that's gonna go in there now, so this is definitely gonna sit up there. But now I don't think I have a 4 block long space. So it's definitely not gonna be up there. Crap. It seems so obvious and it's not.
Pink Ori said, I tried this on my mobile and I quit. I could not solve them anymore. My brains would not work with me, so I deleted the app from my phone.
I'm so sorry. Yeah, when I played the original, like within the last year, I can't remember when I played it, but when I maybe it's even longer since. When I played the original, I finished all but 9 levels, and then I spent like hours trying to solve 1 level, and then I just gave up. It just drained me of all sanity left. It was monstrous. So yes, it is a punishing game. A mentally punishing game, and there we have it. Boop. So yeah, I'm not confident in clearing this pack either, but it's smaller than the original anyway. So we'll see. We'll see how far I get. Yeah. Oh crap! It's a weird shape again. I'm gonna
Pink
put it
Ori said,
upstairs.
just like me, I also gave up. I will keep it with Tetris.
Yeah, Tetris is less of a puzzle game and more of a... It's like an action puzzler. So I see myself playing that to a larger extent. We'll see if I get used to the controller I bought. The arcade controller. Okay, this looks interesting. Oh, this will never fit. Ah, crap. Oh my. Clear creates a single hole. That's not good. So, okay, let's see. 2 flat pieces. 2 pieces with depth. They will be the hard ones to fit, I guess.
Pink Ori said, sometimes Tetris also can be hard when your brain's not working and the block put in the wrong spot, ha ha ha.
Oh yeah, in Tetris though, there are like functions to help you like get past some things. Like you can store pieces and reuse them or use them later, which is very useful. It just takes presence of mind to realize that it's possible. Because I would like, oh, I can't fit this, and I put it somewhere bad instead of pulling up my stored piece. It's like mechanics to learn and get as a habit, because Tetris happens so quickly. So without learning it as muscle memory, I don't think it's gonna go as planned or as good as could be expected. I can't see this sitting in any other orientation, really.
Pink Ori said, that's true, but when it's going fast, then my brain stops helping me, ha ha ha.
Oh yeah. I mean, I was struggling the other day when I played even at speed 9, and it goes to 20. That's horrific. I'm not quite looking forward to that speed, no. Oh, it's so close. Why do I feel like it... Oh, that's a... Oh. Thank you. Oh no, that's not a thing. Is that... Oh! Bad Pixel stole the... Wait. Did it show the wrong face?
Wobo said. Another book. LOL. My picture.
GoodPixel 134 said, but the picture was LMAO.
That was weird. Was the name right? What the shit? What is... I'm gonna check. So...
GoPixel 134 said, nope.
Oh, so it
Pink
was all
Ori
wrong.
said, WAUW speed 20 OMG.
Yeah, there's a speed 20. So... Bad Pixel gets the post anyway in here, so that worked, but... As this is a test stream, I will now have
Bobo
to
said, yeah,
desperately
speed
check...
20 is instant drop, insane.
Instant drop. I feel sick. Right, let me check. I'm gonna participate, even if it's free for me. Yeah, that's a problem. I'm sorry, Bad Pixel. I stole it. Why does it show
Bobo
this?
said, not a problem for me.
GoPixel 134 said, nah, I'm fine.
Why does it say the same? Highly confusing. So it's getting the user by getting the redemption user ID, which in theory should work. It is very puzzling. Message redemption user ID. How can that be wrong? Yeah. Still showing the wrong person. That's not planned. How does that happen? Let's check the log. Is there any errors? Let's see. Message. Data. No, that's... I need to add some debug logging to this. So it's picking out... It's retrieving the user data from Helix. I'm gonna just log the user data. The user.
GoPixel 134 said, Bobo is dominating all trophy challenger.
Yes. I'm gonna add a... I'm gonna reload the widget, 1 second. There you go, it's reloading. I'm gonna check the debug. I'm gonna steal Cold Vengeance trophy now. I'm so sorry. Wait, where is it? Held by Cold Vengeance. At least the text works. So that is my face. And in there it says grabbing user, login bolt7708. That's me. So if anyone else triggers it now, we'll see what happens. That happens. It does grab the user. Wait, what? So it, okay, the user pops in. Why is it not...
Killing
how does it
Vengeance
use-
said, what is this
Oh.
craziness?
Let's see. It gets the right user, but for the sign, it's... Oh shit. Oh shit. I realized what it is. It's... Oh, I'm... Okay, this is unexpected consequences. I need to clone an object instead of modifying it, because it's modifying my static config is being modified and not... I didn't think it would reference back. So I need to do a JSON encoding of the config and then decode it again, because that's the easiest way to do deep clone of an object. So I'm gonna do cloned config. You will not see this, but you will feel it. JSON parse. I'm just gonna read out what I'm typing. JSON parse and then JSON stringify config. There we go. And the
GoPixel
config.
134 said, Twitch official app sucks, I have to close the stream to refresh redeem thing.
Oh yeah, I have to do that all the time on my phone. Because of that reason. It doesn't understand the cooldown. It's ridiculous. This should in theory work. Oh, I didn't pipe the right config in. There we go. Right, okay, let me reload again. Boop. That's reloaded, so I'm gonna do the first one to save you some points. So that worked. Let's see if someone else steals it, if it switches. Music! It's coming back, good. I'm gonna change the title for it too. Let's see where I did that.
Pink Ori said, it's on cooldown for me.
Yeah, it's supposed to have a 15-second cooldown. Is that what it looks like? Oh, or if you're on the app, it's gonna screw you over because it doesn't handle the cooldowns correctly. It's really annoying. It takes restarting the app, pretty much. Where did I put the title? Minus screenshot. No, those are different things. Let's see, what does it... Oh, wait, it's in the
Pink
code.
Ori said, I'm on the phone and I did that, but still, cooldown.
Oh, really? Oh, is this some kind of stupid thing where... It's not on cooldown for me. Confusing. That is interesting. Is it on cooldown for everyone else? Or anyone else? Let's see. Config for sign. F12. Oh shit, that's not what I was gonna do. Damn it. Oh, there's a new image. That works. Awesome.
Pink Ori said, there we go.
I wonder how much text fits, but I'm gonna do like this. I'm gonna change the title of the sign that shows up. That might be ridiculous. Let's see if this fits. I have ellipsizing on if the text doesn't fit. So I'm gonna steal it from you, Carolyn. I'm so sorry. Let's see if the title fits. Yeah, it fits. Nice, nice. So yes, Mr. Cold, if you're still here.
Pink Ori said, no problem.
This is a reward that gets renamed. So when someone has used it, it gets a different name. So it says now that it's held by me. And if you check the description, it's also saying currently held by Ball, and now it's changed. So 13 redeemed it. If we then check, it says held by 13 pretty things, and in here it says 13 pretty things 2 times, and the price increases with every redemption. So you get kind of a shout out on screen for 10 seconds. That, I mean, maybe that should be persistent. I don't know. That would make it into the new favorite viewer redemption. But with all the redemptions being temporary now, I can have the Discord thing there persistently without doodling with it. Oh, I finished this. So yeah. So far, there is no persistent signage in the corner, which might, I mean, it's fairly empty, so maybe I should make it so it's persistent. Yeah, that's gonna be. Actually, now I want to do that, so I need to change my code up. The sign code is stable now, but it does not include a persistent, like sign that doesn't go away. So that's gonna be a change. That's something I struggled with on the live stream, the coding live stream. That was chaotic. So it's yeah, it's a later project. Maybe tomorrow, unless I need to relax.
Her Royal Monstrousness said
Yeah.
if it were persistent, would it block the screenshot thingy?
No, because it would fold away when it comes to screenshot and then fold in again. In theory, my problem was that it would the animations would break and it wouldn't keep track of what was gonna show up and stuff. So it will take some careful thought to make it work properly.
Her Royal Monstrousness said not too clunky.
Yeah. I don't know. Maybe I should have some kind of smaller text somewhere. Maybe at the... Is this spectrogram even showing? Oh, it's not... Oh, it's only going on game audio, not the soundtrack. Shit. So yeah, the bottom beneath the chat. Maybe I should have some static text there so you can get your trophy trophy acknowledgement in a more persistent manner. It is persistent now, as in the reward is persistent. Like it will always say your name in the actual reward, but not everyone checks that anyway, and it won't tip people off that it exists. So yeah, I'll try to imagine something up that's not too obtrusive, but you know, a small persistent shout out, pretty much, or indicator. That's a better word. Yeah, that might make sense. I'll probably do something that works with OBS. So it writes to files. So OBS can monitor text files and update a text view in OBS from that text file whenever it changes. So I can make my my widget write a text file with just a name in it, and or a fuller string, like with some emojis and stuff. Hopefully that works. And OBS can load it as a simple text source. I don't need to do a new like browser-based overlay thing, because that takes time and energy and it's annoying. Oh shit! Oh, where's my puzzle? It's up there. Oh. Hello. Oh shit! I jumped into my ceiling light. But my ceiling light is soft.
134 said, nice.
Well, yeah, I didn't think of it being that far up when working with it. Damn it.
Her Royal Monstrousness said, why did you leave those rewards on?
Oh,
XD, XD, XD.
it's a test stream. Thank you for the water.
Dan said, this is giving my ABS a workout XD.
Her Royal Monstrousness said, that's brilliant.
I mean, if I'm sitting down, if I'm seated, I could possibly reach it whilst... I mean... There we go. But the menu is up there. Is there a seated mode in this? I need to check the options. Oh, there's no options when... Oh wait, they're out here. There we go. General...
Pink Ori said, yeah, thought you could use some water.
Yes, thank you. Yeah, talking, even if it's not a, like, you know, a physical game I'm playing, talking will dry out the throat anyway. Can this be moved? Like, I'm... Hello? No moving? No, nothing? What? Oh, reposition play area. There we go. Hold the trigger to reposition. Oh, okay. So I could in theory be sitting down. And now if the scale goes down or up or whatever, I could still... Oh shit, the puzzle is now beneath the ground. Damn it. This is so messy. Reposition. Oh, you can't spin it. Right, let's put it... So my room center is where it scales up from. Let's place it there. Ugh. Okay, let's place it there. Right, okay, this might be a more plausible plausible position for it if it's gonna work at different scales. Yeah. Although if you scale it up, it's gonna be... I'm gonna lay down on to be able to see anything. What a horrible thing. Yeah. That looks kind of possible. Oh shoot, I was so close. Oh, I said so close. This is actually too tall. It had the wrong shape. Yeah. Okay, I wasn't that close. Crap. Oh, this... If I remove this, I can fit this in like that? As if that's more useful, but you know. Maybe? Wait, what do I have left? A block and a zigzag. This one is big. And it doesn't have a too long that goes... A too long surface that goes in there. Nothing has actually, so this is bullshit. Wow, Twitch, that's an abrupt difference or an abrupt cut in the music. Thanks. No, that's not gonna work. Oh. That might be a thing. Oh, but this won't fit anywhere now. Dang it. Why? Why is it this complicated? No, that that wasn't gonna work. There's actually no piece that can fit this one, so let's figure out how this is gonna fit at all. Like anywhere. Anywhere. It's 3 wide, so it can't go sideways. It can't go upside down. It literally has 4 positions. Curious. And these are 4 long, so they won't fit that way. Which makes me want this piece in that direction. Or is it gonna go... Oh, that doesn't help. Jeez. It feels like when there's a finite amount of positions, it shouldn't be that impossible to figure out how to place it. Maybe? But this... Hello? It doesn't go down into it. Wait, that looks like a hole that can be... I could just move that one. Why, that's useless. That's a bit interesting, but not helpful. Right, okay. So this can fit in there. And this is the only thing that could fit there, but then there's a hole that can't be filled. So that's clearly not where it's supposed to be, so I think it's gonna be like that. They do fit like this, but then it's all flat and this won't fit. That is not all flat. It's also not very workable. Yeah, this is all still a piece of crap item. It makes for 3 down upstairs there, so it doesn't fit anything else. Puzzling. How on earth are you supposed to fit 2, like this piece and these 2 at the same time? Wow. It looks so easy with 5 pieces, but this is brain melting.
Her Royal Monstrousness said that was it.
Wait, did you say I had the right thing going? Wait, what?
Wasn't it?
I don't know anymore. I don't know what my name is anymore. What's happening to me? Is this torture? Is this a different universe? Have I moved to a different dimension where everything is a cube? Deliria set in with the patient. They don't know where they are anymore. Speaking gibberish. We might have to terminate soon. So that's 3 pieces, but it doesn't fit. That small hole there is this one. So what the shiz? I'm starting to think that this one will absolutely go there, but I'm also worried that it's a trap that is actually not going in there, or this can't be like that. So, oh, it can be down there. This will be the same thing as before. Can they fit on different depths? Kind of. Shit. Like, can get that one there if I put this here, but there's no 4 pieces. Oh no, that was me bullshitting. Sorry. it looks nice, but it doesn't fit the other stuff. Thomas is an evil person. That's the maker of the game. This is clearly to punish people that have obsessive needs to fit things into like rectilinear forms. Just for shits and giggles, I'm gonna try and check if I can do some rebinding. Because this game now has bindings. Testing Cubism configuration for index controller. See if there's any custom ones already. Nope. Create new binding. They have interesting names. Grab trigger axis. Grab trigger. Right. So it has analog gripping force-ish. As I can edit this as I want. I'm gonna delete a few things. I'm gonna leave the trigger on click just in case, but I'm gonna go down pinch gesture. Gesture. Uses grab. Grab is binary, so that's a bit messy, but grab grip? What? Grab trigger. Let's do that down there, and let's skip the analog completely. Oh, maybe we can add the analog on the trigger anyway. I'm gonna skip that because that might be used as a secondary trigger. Delete. And it's symmetrical, so this will work for both hands. So grab trigger is now on pinch. The trigger is actually still... Oh, it is not symmetrical even if the interface says so. Which is a bug in the system probably. Because if I change one of them, it should change both.
Her royal monstrousness said, pinchy pinchy.
So now I have the pinch action. That means pushing down on the trackpad and using the... It's very, very, like, detailed. Because it just takes squeezing a slight bit. Which... Damn it, that's the same with only the trigger too, so there's hardly a difference, I guess. Meh. Right, okay, whatever. Let's flip to the default one, because with the amount... Like, it would be interesting to have it only on touch, but I'm not sure that's possible. Activate? Oh well. Default. Oh no, it's broken. Damn it. You're supposed to... Well, we're gonna just run with it. Gonna have a disabled left grip, but whatever. So the pinch, the way it works, makes for almost zero difference. Or just about zero. Yeah. We've already been live for an hour. How is that possible? There you go. Cubism sucks your life out of you. Yeah, that's not gonna work. I mean, it feels ridiculous how these big pieces
Pink Ori
can all
said, in VR you forget the time.
Her
Yeah.
royal monstrousness said, time flies when you're driven mad by cubes.
fit. Indeed. Madness will compress your psyche into a small blob. Back. I'm just gonna try a hard one. Let's do that. I give up on the easier ones. Oh, this looks like a bloody nightmare. Maybe I just should go to bed or fix the persistent text display. Yeah. So 4 tall ones fit in the back row. This is another one. Oh shit. Oh, and this is a big one. Oh my. It will not fit this way. It will fit this way. Oh. Oof. Because
Pink
it's
Ori
3
said,
wide.
when I'm in VR, it feels like a few minutes or a half hour when it's really been 2 hours. Something like that time flies in VR.
Yeah. It is a place of like great focus, because there's nothing else distracting you unless, you know, you're streaming and you have things on your wrist. At those points it can be less focus giving than is like the ultimate, of course, like being on a phone call almost. Wow, okay, this seems even more impossible. Oh. Should I just do some coding and try to fix the label thing? Let's do that, because my brain is already mushy. I don't have the coding set up, but I can probably fix it. Is there a quit button in? How many did I clear? We can check that when going back. 14 out of 30, not even half. Wait, that makes me... It's... Oh, there's no new... Oh, wait, I skipped 3 and went to 4? I skipped the whole world. Well, shit, mistakes were made. This is supposed to be easy. Let's try to do it so we can get at least half of the levels done. That sounds way better when saying it. This is all about, you know, social impact. Shit. Okay. Oh, there was a hole over there. So this one, I think it only fits in one position. Oh wait. Those are actually different. Yeah, those are different. Huh. But it also makes for this one block that's completely isolated. That's not gonna work. And I think this goes in there, and that's... like this? No. So that is one direction, but this can be flipped. I think that will make it work. Yep. There we go. Half of pack 2 completed. I'm happy with that. And we have some less intimidating ones here, and 4 is something we can continue later. If my brain can cope. There's a quit button. Ugh. Right, let me look at these. At this new feature thing. Possibly.
Killing Vengeance said,
Yeah.
finally home.
Oh wow, I've been sitting on my legs, so I can hardly stand. The Japanese, they are way better at sitting on their legs because they know how to move around to keep the blood flowing. We learned that when I was in Japan 10, 11 years ago, and we did a tea ceremony at a hotel. That was interesting. I'm gonna do this.
Camera
There you go. Let's do some development because we need to create bigger incentive for the reward I spent so much brain power to enable.
Her royal monstrousness said,
Yeah.
yeah, that's one of the reasons they are slim. All the walking.
Right, yeah. I'm gonna add back in Visual Studio Code. I'm just gonna close my config that contains all my API keys that I flashed last time, so I had to redo my API key. Thank you, Cold, for helping me with that. So that was chaotic. Window Visual Studio Code.
Killing Vengeance said, okay, I have no idea what is going on.
Well, it's in the title. It's a test stream with Cubism, but Cubism ran out, and I want to add more, one more feature to the reward that I did. Right, let's put this below the... Where's the cameras? Oh, they're in the standard overlay. Oh, shit. Right, it's gonna have to be on top. I don't have a dedicated development overlay. Actually...
Killing Vengeance said, oh, that explains everything. So glad I asked, lol.
Boop. Oh, you didn't ask. You said you had no idea what's going on, which is just a statement. But what is going on is a test stream that, where I was testing a new feature in the widget, which needs some work, so we're gonna fix it. Let's see. I'm gonna make this a smaller window. Scale this up. There we go. Right, so let's enlarge this a bit, and let's reduce the size of the terminal. So it's currently
Killing
part of
Vengeance
this.
said, so we are fixing the held by reward.
Yes, so the reward works, but I need to create greater incentive for people to use it and something that will hint people that it exists. So that's the idea now. We're gonna remove the log I added for the debugging. And I have a feature called labels. Can't remember now if it encodes properly, but I have a class for this. I do. What does it actually do? It just pushes a setting. Key label. Let's check the interface for this. It adds a string to it. So I have a settings printer to disk. Settings. I wonder if it can take a single value. I'm doubtful, but it might just encode it properly. Let's do a test. What's the time? Oh shit, it's late at night. Let's just see if we can do this quickly, and if not, we might have to terminate. Rewards. This is the meat and stuff. There you go. So yeah, the pop-in works. The reward seems to work. It increases in prices. It pipes it to Discord. It sets the names and stuff. So all that seems to work. So that's all fun and good. Let's see. Up here we have, that is the reward updating. I can probably add it. Let's add it in here. So I have my settings class, which can write anything to disk. Push settings. And I think this. There is a. I'm gonna go into this class because it has a few predefined strings here for different types of things. So we have labels here, but I'm gonna do one that is trophy holder. String settings. Trophy. Oh yeah, that's gonna work. So we're
Killing
gonna
Vengeance
set-
said, "Are you going to make it apply a random cooldown after every redeem?"
No, the cooldown is 15 seconds. Just because no reason. It can cause chaos. Trophy holder. Here's the thing, we have a field we keyed on. So I'm gonna do this and then send in, it needs a value which can be any. So if I send in test, will this write test? Oh, I should actually push this. I shall push. Hello, my name is Ball. I can't think. Let's make a new test command, because why not? We have all the commands here. So to make this easy, Twitch register command. So this is how I add things to my widget. I have these pre-made functions that take input and can add things like chat commands and stuff. So this is just gonna be trophy. That is the trigger command, and I can input permissions here, and we're gonna say that everyone can use this. Let's cause some chaos. So we set everyone to true. Then we have the callback. That is a function that gets user data and input from. This is what you input when doing the command. So user data is what it parses out from your Twitch user, and input is the text you input. But just adding this and putting this in here should be enough. But we can make a thing that announces it to the channel. So PTS NQ speak sentence, and we have input string. Then use, yeah, this takes a lot of stuff. It's just I should have the type in chat function that I haven't made. Never mind. We'll just, this is on stream. We'll observe if the settings file gets written. So we have settings up here with a bunch of backups. If I reload the widget, where's the widget? Reload. Boop. If I now do trophy.
Killing Vengeance said, "I guess you know Zim and Buck are streaming together in Zim's place currently."
No, I had no idea. What are they streaming? Exciting. And this writes nothing. In Zim's place? What does that mean? Is he visiting him?
Killing Vengeance said, "I have
You had no
zero idea."
Yeah, I haven't checked my phone. What does it say?
Killing Vengeance said, "Yes, in Scottishland."
Scottishland. I don't. Yeah, I might not have. I should have notifications for Zim, but I don't know. Whatever. So it wrote the file, but it's empty. So clearly I've made it so it can't write single values. But I need this to work. So let's go into the settings PHP and see what it actually does when we send the setting in. So it grabs the setting value, which is the key we send in, which is the file it's writing. So that's all good. You can get an error, no settings file defined. If it's posting, yeah, it can read and write files. We have write settings with file path. The file path is get file path. Right, so this is how it knows where to write, and it gets the setting there. The data. Thank you, Mr. Cold. for for spending your points. Right, we have the settings file. Right settings. I think this grabs automatically. So if we go to it, it's down here. It gets the file get contents with PHP input. I think this grabs all the input. Oh, it grabs JSON input. Right. Okay. Input rows. If is array, otherwise an empty array. It parses JSON, and I think a single. This is an interesting thing. So you can parse. Can I run PHP in the terminal? Let's make a new terminal. Can I execute PHP? Come on, the fun. It's not on the path. Right, okay, never mind. But single values are supposed to be valid JSON. So I can do a thing here. If this is not array, it makes it into an array. Input is empty array. Input rows as row. So I think the problem might be right. So wait. Oh yeah, so you can send a single object in, and the object is not an array. So if you send a single object in with that comes in through JSON decode, you can, or decode. Let's do English. It puts it in an array, so this for each has something to loop over. But is object? Is object? If not is object, it's a raw string, which is what we have now. So in theory, we could write it directly. Because let's see. Brain working. This is modifying it, so it's encoding it as a CSV file. We check in like the names in the name settings. Name settings. You can see that we have a bunch of names and it's encoded with username, pipe, the name, semicolon, the next pair of values. That's short name and whatever we've converted it to. Shit, there's oh wow, there's a bunch of names. What I want to do is write a single value without a pipe or a semicolon encoding, which is what happens when it's an array. Let's make that a mode. If input rows is not an object and it is not an array, we will do some stuff, and this will return. So we'll do the things down here, which is writing the settings file. The input string is simply going to be input rows. So in theory, oh yeah, because before anyone does anything, I'm gonna do a backup of all the settings in case I've made something that destroys everything. Go to the widget. I'm just gonna compress some files to an archive. Take the whole settings folder. Wait, do I have backups? Yeah, backups inside, so I'm just gonna back up. 7 zip add to settings.17. Put a date on it. 2021. It's the 25th of September. This is payday in Sweden. But I should have gotten paid earlier, yeah, because I get paid on the first work or the latest work day before the 25th or on the 25th. Right, so this should now, in special cases, write a single value to file. Let me reload the widget again. For the boop. And we're gonna do trophy in this chat.
Stop the world, I want it.
And we're gonna check the trophy file. It feels unlikely that it worked, but yeah, it didn't. Shit. Oh, I actually get an error from the URL. What does it say? Warning, invalid arguments supplied for 4 each. Wait, it's not wait, what? It's not supposed to reach the 4 each, so clearly it doesn't work. I got invalid argument for the 4 each. Line 42, which is here. So clearly this return did not trigger. Oh, did it make it into an array anyway because I was decoding it? Let's do an error log here. Input rows. Actually, let's see what. Can I see? Yeah, I can see what I sent in. So I sent request payload. Oh shit. Yeah, okay. This might all be working. I just made it a goofy boofy. So let's go up into the settings class, the settings module. And somewhere in here it encodes it into an array. It is saved settings has let's see. Come on, there we go. Oh, it wasn't bigger. Right, okay. So push setting is when you save it. Here we can see if not an array, it makes this spaces. Okay, settings. Stop the world, I wanna get off. Stop the world, I wanna. I think this is the settings cache. This might not be dynamic or reasonable enough to use. I'm gonna do a new function probably. Static sync push label. Let's add that in here. We have the setting, which is the file that's going to be used, and we're just going to do a value. And we're going to make that a string. I'm going to return a promise for the bool. So, oh shit, there we go. So, in theory, this should be able to do. We need. Apparently, there's a setting going in here, which is what? Oh, that's just the file part or the file used. Wait. Oh, save settings saves all settings. Oh wait, what does it do? What does it actually do? Save settings. Oh, it takes this. It takes a null. Oh, this. Does this have multiple returns? Yeah, I'm confusing myself now. Setting is just one string. If we follow this, it goes in and says, yeah, we can do this with settings that is optional. And if settings is optional, it grabs it automatically from the settings store. Right, okay. That explains why it's only one thing. So I can still add things. Push label, we'll do the save settings thing. But we will add the value here. So it should be as easy as this. possibly. And this automatically returns the response. Right. This feels so random if it would actually work. So push label. We have the settings and we can skip the field and just have the value. Actually, we can do the input now. Which is what comes in through the command. Let's reload the widget again. Does anyone think that this will actually work? I don't know. I don't even know if anyone's still watching. Testing the thing. I saw no error messages, so that's interesting. I have the trophy setting. Ah ha ha ha! Look at that. It's writing the thing. So now I'm gonna derp around in OBS a bit. I'm gonna hide Visual Studio Code. Boop. You get me back. Hello. So I'm gonna, in this view, add a text view. TXT P trophy holder. Camel trophy holder. Boop. And read from file. Browse. I'm gonna go into the widget. Google Drive. Let's see. Stream widget. Settings. Trophy. It's up in the corner now. Let me pull it down. So the theory, or the thinking is, put it here. This might not be able to do like limit the length of the string. Well, shit. But now if I do this in the chat, you can see it updates that text field. So that works as intended. Can it do emojis? I am using a Pango thing here.
VR Bug said, "Hello Bol, what's happening?"
Hello VR Bug. I'm building. So this is a test stream, and I'm working on a feature that's supposed to entice people to spend their channel points. And you can see at the bottom there, I have a text field that's currently being written to by a test command called trophy. But there's also a test reward, or a reward called trophy, that will put your name on the reward and make a notification pop in at the top left corner. But I'm also gonna make it so it writes the name permanently in the stream. And Booba just emptied that file because that's in the code.
VR Bug said,
shit,
"Ooh,
I need
very
to
swish."
fix it. Right, so I'm gonna fix. I can show the code again because when you have only my face to look at. Boop. Here's the code, and we're doing this. This is the test command. We're gonna go up to the rewards, which is all the way up here. We did the push setting. We're gonna do now the push label, which we just made. We only need one field. And we're gonna do a templated string. And we're gonna put in the current trophy holder. Let's just make a trophy emoji. I can do this before. This is in Swedish. And let's just add the username. So user display name. Save. So I'm gonna steal the trophy in a moment. I'm just gonna hide Visual Studio. So now if I trigger this again, we're pushing up the price. Oh, it did nothing. It did nothing. Oh shit. Did it? Oh, it got an issue. Maybe it can't do emojis. I got it. Wait, that's not... 400 bad
Ow!
requests.
Dr. Octopus thrust 100 bits into your face.
Oh my, thanks Doc for your... thanks Doc for your bits. We're just doing a garbage test stream, but it's much appreciated, sir. Thank you so much. I did 1 hour or so of Cubism and finished half of the levels. Then my brain was already tortured enough, so now I'm trying to fix the things instead. Where's the code? So we're trying to fix my reward that... It's the reward we imagined up on your stream. I already made it, so it's counting up and working. I'm trying to make something... Oh, it wrote an empty thing. Oh, nice. Let's see, is this... I'm gonna have to find the specific request. This is the wrong one. Why is this happening? Right, so if... That's not working, but the command was working, right? Push label, settings trophy holder. Settings push label, settings trophy holder. Let's remove the emote. Let's see if it makes a difference. Where's the widget? There's the widget. Refresh. It's reloaded. Just gonna see if it works at all. I did have an emoji in this one. Oh shit, I forgot the right thing. Wait, is it broken? What? What is breaking? I'm highly confused. Oh, it wasn't connected to chat yet. Good derp. I think. I hope. Yeah, there we go. It pops up. That's actually something
Dr. Octopus said, cooldown limit.
There is a cooldown, but only on 15 at 15 seconds. But if you're on mobile, it's highly buggy on mobile, and it will put an infinite cooldown on it. It's quite annoying. Shit. I'm gonna redeem again. There we go. It puts the name in anyway. So that's gonna be enough for today. I will have to figure out how to limit the size of it, because if it's gonna pop out into the game view, that's gonna be annoying. There we go. That's a successful development stream. So the reward is still pretty cheap. I might rethink how to do the text, the persistent label that shows you who's the current trophy holder. It's also visible on the reward, which was the only plan originally, but it won't tell people that it exists. So it's not incentive enough for people to spend points, I don't think. But it works, which is kind of funky. Quite funky indeed. Yeah, we'll see if it becomes a hit or not. Yeah. And yes, the price is increasing every time, so it's counting up. We're at 16 redemptions, so it's costing 16 points. The first redemption cost 1 point. So it's escalating. And in the Discord log, it shows you how many has redeemed it in one stream so far. So it's up to 16. So that's... I've done it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. So okay, 10 redemptions. Thank you so much for your 10 test redemptions. You're not getting refunded. I'm sorry, this is permanent. It's gonna stay at this price.
Dr. Octopus said,
yes.
If it doesn't become a hit, I'll give you a full refund.
Pink Ori said, it's now 17 meatballs.
Yeah, the price goes up. The price goes up with every redemption. So the last one cost 16, the next one 17, and then it goes on forever. I mean, to the maximum count you can have on this on Twitch, I guess. Yeah. But yes, that was some development time also added. I'm very curious why the text view broke when I added the emoji through the settings file, but I'm gonna have to look at that tomorrow. It's midnight. Let's raid someone. I assume there's people online now. Let's go to the stream view or raid view. I'm gonna terminate Twitch soundtrack. There we go, we have the raid view and some beautiful relaxing music. Welcome to... My camera's really laggy because my lights have said you've gone to bed, you're supposed to sleep. So they automatically shut down. It's dark and laggy. Twitch, streaming, Survive, Audica, Synth Riders. There's some things going on. VR chat.
Pink Ori said, have a good night, Bowl, and a great Sunday. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Thanks for joining, and yeah, see you a different stream. Have a nice rest of the weekend. Yeah.
VR Bug said Biases.
Yeah. Biases. Oh yeah, Bug. If you're looking for rewards and stuff, yes. All the things I have for my stream
Pink
setup
Ori said,
is in my
definitely.
widget. That is on GitHub and available for anyone to use, including the TTS functionality that lets you set your voice to any language you want or not. You can filter it. Yes. So that's the thing. Oh, they're mapping. That's not gonna happen.
VR Bug said, you are saying I can play with your widget? Thanks, dude.
Pink Ori said, bye-bye everyone,
Yes.
great weekend.
So I'm gonna raid Nina.
Bull
Yes.
said.
Lots of viewers already, but we're gonna do it anyway because raiding is
Dr.
fun.
Octopus said, VR Bug should totally get your TTS.
So the setup of the widgets is somewhat convoluted. The README is not totally up to date, but it's not impossible. It's also doing all the reward registrations from the actual config, so it might be a bit intense if you're not somewhat technically
VR Bug
inclined.
said, TTS
Fine.
is awesome
Let's
on this
see.
channel, mine sucks.
Yeah, and the TTS also can be turned off easily with commands. That's supposed to work. Oh wait, is it?
Bowl said. Test.
Clearly,
VR
TSS.
Bug said, I'm technical, kinda.
Good. Then I can't type. I'm incapable of typing. TTS off.
Global TTS terminated.
There we go. And if people chat now, there's an audio indication instead. But you can turn it on. And it's a global
activated.
setting in the config. Yeah, there's a bunch of other features, but they're mostly useful in games. We can trigger sound
VR
effects.
Bug said, that's great.
Trigger camera, screenshots, hydration reward. Yeah. Oh. And that was the end. Bye.